In front of me is Xiaomi 15 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then use this plus at the bottom right one and set up an hour. Now you need to adjust all of those options however you want to. Click on this switcher next to delete after alarms goes off to enable or disable this option if you want to use it only once. If you don't, click on repeat and pick one of those. Once, daily, Monday to Friday or customize. If you decided to select customize, pick days of the week manually and go back. Now hit ringtone to pick one of those melodies. Choose all ringtones. Click on one of those options, like pre-installed ones, and hit apply next to the best one. Then OK. Now select allow over here. You can also use this plus at the bottom right corner. Pick one of those sound sources, hit allow, allow all, and then click on any song you wish to use from your device. Select OK at the bottom left corner and tap on apply next to it. Then choose OK here and go back again. If you wish to, you can click on this switcher next to vibrate when alarm sounds to switch it off or on. Tap on label to name it, and finally, in order to save it, use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To make some changes, click on it, tap on additional settings and change whatever you want to. Then hit the same check mark. To switch it on or off, use this switcher and pick one of those options in the pop-up. To get rid of it, hold it, tap on remove and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!